Assalamualaikum children, welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher for class Mont Junior. Today we will learn how to write the numbers. Please listen to the lecture carefully and do your work. Let's start. Your first work is counting. Write from 1 to 10. Mention date. Write from 1 to 10. Number 1. Draw a straight line from the middle of the box. One straight line makes 1. One straight line makes 1. 2. A curve with a slipping line makes 2. A curve with a slipping line makes 2. Make a small curve in the center of the box. Then make another curve makes 3. A curve with another curve makes 3. A slanting line, slipping line, and a straight line makes 4. A slanting line, slipping line, and a straight line makes 4. Now 5. Straight line with a curve and a slipping line makes 5. A straight line with a curve and a slipping line makes 5. 6. A curve joining with another curve makes 6. A curve joining with another curve makes 6. 7. Slipping line with a slanting line makes 7. A slipping line with a slanting line makes 7. Make a curve like S joining with another curve makes 8. Make a curve like S joining with another curve makes 8. A small circle with a standing line makes 9. A small circle with a standing line makes 9. One straight line makes 1 and a small circle makes 0. 1, 0, 10. A straight line makes 1 and a small circle makes 0. 1, 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your homework is to do it 3 times in both copies, copy 1 and copy 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Students need parents' guidance to do this assignment. This is the end of first lecture. Please complete your work. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.